guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something really exciting to share with you all. In this video, I will be giving you a comprehensive overview of one of my favorite video editing app, Capcut. If you are passionate about creating captivating videos but don't have access to expensive software, Capcut is the perfect solution. So if you are ready to take your video editing to the next level and unlock your creativity, make sure you stick around. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any of the upcoming tutorial and tips. Okay guys, when you open up your Capcut, this is what you are going to see. These are the list of all my projects, the projects I've worked on so far. Now to open up the Capcut interface, tap on this new project. When you tap on the new project, it's going to open up here. This is where you tap to import your video, and this is where you tap to export the video after you might have finished editing your video. When you tap on this shortcut, it's going to display all the possible shortcuts you can get in Capcut. Let me close it. This place is going to, when you tap on here, it's going to show you how you can change your interface. Now let's quickly go straight to the most important thing. Let's try and import a video. Inside my system, I already created a folder with a video. I'm just going to bring the video in right now. For me to bring this video to where it will be edited, which is this place, you can either tap on this plus sign or Ctrl Z to undo, or you drag the project to this place. Now after dragging the project here, you can see that our user interface has changed, which means we are ready to edit. This one is microphone. If you want to do a voiceover, this is where you click for microphone. Now if you want this video to be long, assuming I want to cut some part of this video now, I cannot cut it like this. I need to stretch the video a bit longer. That way I'll be able to see each image, each part of the image. Let me take it back to how it is. Now this is used for cropping. If you have a video and you want to crop the video, this is what you will use to crop your video. The crop tool, use it to crop your video. Now this is used to rotate your video. You can either tap on this or you tap on this thing to rotate your image, your video, or you do this to rotate it. This is used to mirror an image or your video. You can see the effect. This is used to reverse your video. This one is used to freeze a part in your video. Let's assume you are playing a video and you just want to freeze a part there. You just tap on it, tap on that to split it, then you freeze. Now let's see the effect. You can see in that part nothing has happened. I've frozen that. So that is that. Ctrl Z to undo again. Now this is delete. If I want to delete this clip, you click on it to delete it. Ctrl Z to undo. This is used to split your video. If you have a very long video and there's a part that you want to cut in that video, when you tap on the video, then you tap on this, you are going to split it. You can also use this to do cut and join. Let's say on a video, you are shooting a video and then you have different parts in the video and you want to do cut and join. When you bring your video in, you tap on it, you cut it, delete the part, bring the video in, you add it to it. If I want to add this to that video, now all I need to do is bring it. Cut and join has been done. That is the effect of, that is the use of this split tool. This is used to undo. This is used for redo. Now let's continue. Let's assume on this video you want to remove, you don't like the audio that is on your video and you want to remove the audio, or you want to do a voiceover but there is an audio on the video. What you can do is do Control Shift and S. When you tap on the video, you do Control Shift and S. It's going to remove the video. Or you right click and then you you tap on this, it's going to extract the audio, then you delete your audio. So that is how to do that. The next thing we want to do is, here you can increase the volume of your video, or you can decrease the volume of your video. If you want to fade in and fade out your video, your audio, you can see this fading. When you tap on your audio, this option is going to come in, then you can fade in. You can see, then the audio is going to play very low from the beginning, and then if you want to fade out too, when it's ending, the video should be very low. So this is how you do that with fade in and fade out effect. To reduce the noise on your audio whenever you do a voiceover in a noisy environment, tap on this. You can see noise reduction. You tap on your audio and then you tap on this noise reduction and turn it on. You can see noise reduced. So that is going to reduce the noise of your audio. Okay, moving further, if you want to add voice effects to your video, to your audio, you click on this voice effect and you allow it to load. You need internet to be able to load all the voice effects, and you pick from any one of it. I've downloaded some, but you just download it. Once you tap on it, it's going to be added to your audio. I'm not going to add anyone to this audio because of a copyright on the audio that I use for this video. Now, moving on, after adding your voice effect, you can choose to come and increase the pitch, or you decrease the pitch or increase the pitch. Then you play around with it and see what you have. Okay, here you have speed. You can increase the speed of your audio. You decrease this way, you increase. And then the duration. You can also use this to change the voice effect of your video. Let me turn this. Okay, the next thing I want to do is to add text to my project. You tap on this plus sign. It's going to add text to your project. And you come to this side to edit your text. Okay, after doing that, I want to change my font. When you tap on this, it's going to load all the fonts that are available on your system. So I'm using this Helvetica. You can see my font has been changed. Then you can choose to change your color, the color of your font. Let's change it to red and see. And font size. Preset style. Let me change this back to white so it's more visible. When you tap on any one of these, it's going to add a style to your font. Let's choose yellow. You can see the difference. Just play with it and see what you want. You still have more. When you tap on this, it's going to expand it. So you choose any other thing you want. Text spacing. You can either space it to the right, to the left, or you space it to the right. If you have like a 2 line of text, you will see the effect. Let's do this and see. Let me space align to the right. Do you see the effect? Do you see it? Then you align center, align left, and so on. Now, positioning of your text. Can you see that? When you want to position, you can use this to scale it. The opacity of your text. Raise the opacity. Stroke. Let me change it to red, so something that is different from what can you see the changes? So keep playing with it. The background color of your text. Let me change it to white. Do you see it? Now glow. I want my text to glow. Change it to, you see the effect. You want to add shadow to your text. Let's add. Can you see the effect? By the time you start using, okay, let's add purple. You can see the effect. So by the time you keep using it, you get used to the app and you can do anything. You want the text to be blurry, you make it blurry. Now to animate your text, you click on this animation, then you pick from the list of these animations effects. You can see what happened just now. If you click on this, we have different effects. You click on this, we have different animation. Now, text tracking. When you do text tracking, it's going to track the position of whatever body that you place the effect on. Once you click on it, you can click on both and you come to this. I'm going to put it on my hand. So wherever my hand moves to is where the text is going to dance to. Then you tap on start. So anywhere my hand moves to, that's where the text will move to. Once it's completed, let's see the effect. You can see. So that about text tracking. Text to speech. After writing all your text, you can turn the text to speech by speaking any voice here. I need internet to do that. When you're on your internet, you pick any voice here. It's going to be applied to your text. It's going to do to your text. Okay. You have text effects, which I've already showed you. Here, you have text templates. Different templates you can use for your text. If I tap on this now, all you need to do is do this. Bring it to your project and you come here to edit the text. So it's going to pick this color, the effect and everything. Let me undo that. Here you have auto caption. If you want to use this auto caption, it's going to turn your voice to speech. Now you move on to sticker. These are stickers that you can use in your videos. Effects, video effects. There are different effects here that you can use for your video. You can either use blur or you tap on any one. Let's do this. This one is already downloaded already. You can see that's the effect of that one there. So play with it. Transitions. You can add transitions to your video. You can add transition to the beginning of your video or to the end of your video. You can only add it to the middle. So for me to be able to add transition, I'm going to split this video. Then add this. So you add it to the middle where you put it and then you see the effect. Here we have filter. I can choose to change. You already know what filter is all about. So just play with it, play with it, play with it. You can reduce the strength of the filter. Can you see it getting brighter and it's darker? You can also animate your video. Not only text you can animate, you can also animate your video. Once you tap on your video, you come down here to animation and you pick from any of these to animate your video. You see that effect? So you can animate out. There are different effects combo. Just play around with it. The speed of your video, you can increase the speed of your video here. Tracking, I've showed you this. So basically that's all you need to know to start with Capcut. It's really not hard. It all depends on you. Whatever idea you have in your head, just bring it to life. That's all Capcut is all about. It's easy to use and I hope you are able to get one or two from this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification bell. You can also share this to your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Bye.